The fertilizer industry doesn't want you to hear this, but your soil already knows how to feed plants forever. Not next season, not after another expensive bag, right now. Once you understand how JADAM works, fertilizer stops being something you buy and becomes something your soil produces on demand. This is where Soil Sage Chronicles draws the line between dependency gardening and freedom gardening. Why fertilizer keeps failing your soil. Most fertilizers don't build soil, they bypass it, they dissolve, spike nutrients, push fast growth, and quietly starve the underground life that actually feeds plants long-term. Each application trains roots to rely on external feeding instead of soil biology. Over time, yields drop, pests increase, and costs rise. This is not a coincidence. Soil that is alive feeds plants steadily. Soil that is treated like a delivery pipe eventually collapses. JADAM flips this logic completely. Instead of feeding plants directly, it feeds the soil ecosystem so the soil feeds the plants non-stop. What JADAM really changes in the soil. JADAM is not about special products or secret ingredients. It is about returning control to indigenous microorganisms already adapted to your land. These microbes decompose organic matter, unlock minerals, and deliver nutrients to plant roots exactly when they are needed. When microbes thrive, fertilizer becomes unnecessary because nutrients are constantly being released in small, balanced doses. So, the key shift here is understanding that fertility isn't something you add, it's something you activate. Why does soil become, well, an infinite food factory? Healthy soil isn't static, it's actually a biological engine. Microorganisms are constantly breaking down leaves, weeds, kitchen scraps, and crop residues into nutrients that plants can use. Fungi help out by transporting minerals across root zones, and bacteria even fix nitrogen from the air. This whole system already exists right beneath your feet, but modern inputs tend to suppress it. JADAM instead removes suppression and replaces it with stimulation. Once microbial populations explode, decomposition really speeds up. Nutrient cycling gets faster too, so instead of fertilizing every few weeks, your soil can actually feed crops continuously, day and night. This is why, growers using JADAM don't really run out of fertility, they regenerate it. The JADAM Liquid Fertilizer, honestly, it replaces everything. At the heart of this system is JADAM Liquid Fertilizer, often just called JLF. This is not compost tea, it is not a nutrient extract, it is, in fact, controlled microbial decomposition. To make a standard plant-based JLF, you'll want to use exactly 1 kilogram of fresh green plant material, such as weeds leaves or grass clippings. Chop it roughly to increase the surface area, place it into a non-metal container and add 10 liters of clean water. Cover loosely, and let it ferment for, about 3 to 7 days depending on the temperature. Stir it once daily. When the smell turns strong and earthy, that's when decomposition is complete. This concentrate is powerful and, must be diluted. For soil drenching, mix 1 liter of JLF with 10 liters of water. Apply directly to the soil around plants. For larger areas, just maintain the same 1-to-10 ratio. This single formula replaces nitrogen fertilizers, micronutrient blends, and soil conditioners when used consistently. Why dilution matters more than strength. More fertilizer does not mean more growth. Overfeeding kills microbes and, honestly, stresses roots. JADAM relies on low concentration, high-frequency feeding. Dilution ensures microbes stay alive and active while nutrients are released slowly. So, think stimulation, not saturation. Applied correctly, JLF increases root mass, improves soil structure, and enhances nutrient uptake without burning plants. So, here's how microbes can actually replace chemicals completely. You see, chemical fertilizers, they basically force-feed plants, but microbes, on the other hand, they negotiate. They respond to root signals, to moisture levels, and even soil temperature. When plants need nitrogen, microbes release it, and when growth slows, nutrient release slows too. This kind of natural regulation is the reason why JADAM-grown plants show steady growth, instead of those boom and bust cycles you often see. Once microbes really start to dominate, diseases just struggle to get a foothold. Pathogens, well, they lose space. Beneficial organisms simply outcompete them, and that's actually why soil fertility and plant health rise together in this system. So, why is organic matter the real currency here? Well, fertilizer usually focuses on nutrients, but JADAM focuses on carbon. Organic matter is basically food for microbes. Every leaf, weed, or crop residue you add to the soil, it's like making an investment into future fertility. The more organic matter cycles through the soil, the more nutrients become available, and all of this happens without needing any external inputs. JADAM teaches gardeners to stop removing residues and start feeding soil life instead. What beginners get wrong at first is, well, many new gardeners try to measure results too quickly. JADAM is not instant-release farming. The first weeks are really about building biology. Roots grow deeper, soil texture improves, earthworms return, and, visible yield increases follow once the underground system stabilizes. Another mistake is overcomplicating the process. JADAM works best when simple. Use local plant material, respect dilution, apply consistently. Why this system scales from pots to fields is actually pretty simple. The principles do not change with size. A balcony container and a full garden bed follow the same biological rules. Soil life does not care about scale. When microbes are fed and protected, fertility increases anywhere roots can grow. This makes JADAM one of the few systems that works for beginners without limiting advanced growers. The long-term payoff most gardeners miss is, well, not always obvious at first. The biggest benefit is not saving money, though that alone is massive. The real payoff is soil resilience. Drought tolerance improves, nutrient runoff drops, plants recover faster from stress. Each season builds on the last instead of starting over. Once soil becomes biologically active, it remembers how to grow food. Why Soil Sage Chronicles stands behind this approach. This channel is about independence, not dependency. JADAM aligns perfectly with that philosophy. It removes the fear of running out and replaces it with confidence in natural processes. It teaches gardeners to work with soil instead of against it. When your soil becomes the fertilizer factory, gardening stops being expensive and, honestly, starts being empowering. If this changed how you see fertilizer, share it with someone who still buys bags every season. Subscribe to Soil Sage Chronicles for more deep practical soil wisdom and help spread a way of growing that actually gets better every year.